Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a mouth-watering breakfast recipe to share with you. We'll be showing you how to make delicious Belgian waffles, known for their light and fluffy texture with a crispy exterior. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 2 teaspoons salt, 2 large eggs, 1 3/4 cups milk, 1 2 cup unsalted butter melted, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Let's dive into the process of making these delectable Belgian waffles. Step 1. Preheat your waffle iron according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 2. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Step 3. In a separate bowl, whisk the eggs until well beaten. Then add the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Whisk until everything is well combined. Step 4. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spatula until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are okay. Step 5. Lightly grease the preheated waffle iron with cooking spray or a small amount of melted butter. Step 6. Spoon the batter onto the hot waffle iron, spreading it evenly across the surface. Step 7. Close the lid of the waffle iron and cook for 3-4 minutes or until the waffles are golden brown and crisp. Step 8. Carefully remove the waffles from the iron and transfer them to a wire rack. Repeat the process with the remaining batter. Step 9. Serve the Belgian waffles warm with your favorite toppings, such as fresh fruits, whipped cream, maple syrup, or a dusting of powdered sugar. And there you have it, a stack of delicious Belgian waffles ready to be enjoyed. The light and fluffy texture, along with the crispy exterior, make these waffles an absolute treat for breakfast or brunch. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make these mouth-watering Belgian waffles. They're a perfect way to start your day or indulge in a weekend brunch. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
And press the bell icon. Never miss an update.